Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to operate Rocksmart in the binary mode. So what is binary mode? So binary mode is basically those exercises which involves two things, like we have has or have, this or that, a or an, like that. So in this binary mode you can refer through this manual. There is a table 2. So in this table 2, you can see here 6 codes are available, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can select any one of the code out of these 6 codes. So let's say we have selected code number 2. So in this code number 2, you can see the first question, the correct answer should be on the green side. Next, the correct answer should be on the green side. Next, correct answer should be on the green side. Now next, correct answer should be on the red side, and here next the correct answer should be on the right side, and here the correct answer should be on the green side. So according to that, you need to write the correct answer. For example, has or have. So according to the question, you have to write the correct answer on the sides. So here G is for green and R is for the red. Now friends, we need to set the activity according to the code 2, and now switch on the Rocksmart. After the welcome sound, it is asking for the code. So we have selected code number 2. So bring this green LED to here. So press the up key. Now the code 2 has been selected. Now these 3 LEDs are indicating the sheet mode or the match mode, and we are here doing the binary mode. So let's press this up key to bring these 3 LEDs here. So now this is in the binary mode. Now press enter key. Now you can see here it will follow the binary mode. Now how to play this binary mode? So this is our first question. She has blank idea, A or N. So before idea we should use N. So we have to select a green LED because AN is written here. So press up or down key. So I pressed up key here and press enter. Now the answer is correct. Similarly, let's moving on to next question. He is blank honest. So here N should be there. So to select the question for the vertical movement, we have to press red up and down key. So press these keys to bring question to this row. Now the correct answer is AN. He is an honest. So and press enter. This is how we should operate the Rocksmart in the binary mode. Thanks for watching this video.